Hey guys, Jack here with the weekly Nadex video for MajorLeagueTrading.com. And what I want to do first off is go over the major news events for the week, and then we're going to take a look at a trade I'm looking to set up on Tuesday. So happy New Year everybody, but on Tuesday, January 2nd at 3:30 a.m. we're going to have the manufacturing PMI at the Great Britain Pound. And then no other major news events for Tuesday. On Wednesday at 3:30 a.m., these are Central Standard Time, Great Britain Pound Construction PMI. At 9 a.m., we have the ISM Manufacturing PMI. And then at 1 p.m., we have the Federal Open Markets Committee meeting minutes. On Thursday for the Great Britain Pound Services PMI at 7:15 for the US dollar, we have non-farm employment change. And at 7:30, we follow that up with unemployment claims. At 10 a.m. on Thursday, crude oil inventories, and then at 6:30 p.m. in the evening, out of the Australian markets, we're going to have trade balance. Friday, 4 a.m., CPI flash estimate for the euro, and at 7:30, there's a lot of Canadian and US dollar news, so that's probably going to be one of the bigger news events of the week. At 7:30 for the Canadian dollar, unemployment change, trade balance, and unemployment rate. For the US dollar, we're going to have the average hourly earnings, non-farm employment change, unemployment change, and at 9 a.m. ISM non-manufacturing. Also guys, just a note, obviously this is the first trading week of the year. Traders and hedge fund managers, institutions typically are looking to rebalance their portfolio after either taking tax losses, etc. going into the year end. So that's something to keep in mind. And then I want to show you this trade setup I'm looking at right now in natural gas. There's really two levels that I've so far marked up, and we could totally just run away from here. But obviously, if you live anywhere in the north, like I do, I'm from Chicago, it's brutally cold. In fact, I read somewhere that for the New Year's Eve in New York, this was the coldest New Year's Eve in, I think, at least 30 years. It could have been like since they've been dropping the ball. I'm not exactly sure, but regardless, it's been brutally cold across the nation. And if you look at a higher time frame chart here, I'm going to go to a weekly chart on NAT GAS. You have this major consolidation, and what it is, it's also a 50% retracement from the low of 2016 to high. Okay, this support level at 275 has held, and that's been a tradable level really throughout the entire 2017 year. We're now in the first week of 2018, and I don't really see any resistance until this 320 level, which is those previous highs. So that would be still a 12-cent move plus from the current levels we're currently trading. But you can see going into the end of the year of 2016, there was a really big move, and that's what happens when natural gas, you know, when temperatures plummet, natural gas can obviously, you know, move much higher than expected. We're already up 4%, and it is Monday night, day after New Year's, January 1st here. And what I'm looking for is a pullback, you know, hopefully this week. I'm looking at the high before we broke out, and that is a 2.987. So that's the high before we broke out. I've marked that as support. And then I'm looking at this gap fill zone from the Monday open. So those are two levels of support I'm going to be looking at for trades in natural gas this week. And that's going to conclude this week's free Nadex video. If you guys like this content, make sure to like the video below, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Major League Trading, follow me on Instagram if you love some motivation. Once again, Major League Trading, and everybody, Happy New Year. I hope you crush your trading goals. Take care and enjoy your week.